guys, so welcome back to my channel. I got a big surprise. I've got a big surprise. As you can see in the thumbnail of this video, a huge surprise, guys. Oh my goodness, I hope that you guys will be happy for me because this is something that I've been wanting for so many years, and finally I got it. I finally got my big surprise. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. I will show you guys and we will unwrap my gift and you guys will see what it is. I'm so excited. They just called me that they are on their way coming to deliver it. I hope that they will be able to bring it up here because it is quite a struggle to bring things up here, especially if it is big up the stairs. But yeah, I hope that they will be able to bring it up. And oh my God, guys, you won't believe how happy I am. Seriously, I'm so happy. Um, if God is for you, then who can be against you, right? Oh my goodness, you will not believe. It is hard work, really hard work. You need to save for what you want. You need to work hard for what you want. Not depend on other people to give you things and to sponsor you. So as for now, as you can see how the breeze is coming through my window, it is springtime, almost summertime here in South Africa. Yeah, they are on their way. They just called me to make sure if I am home, and I will show you guys. I'll show you guys how they offload it from the truck and how they bring it up here, and then we will unbox it. Now I don't know. I do not know. Should I wait for my daughter to come from school to open it so that she can help me unbox this gift, or should I open it and surprise her with it? I don't know. I don't know. Let me decide still. And I will see you guys in the video where they will deliver my big surprise. I'm so excited. You will not believe it. Stay inside. So guys, this is how it looks. It's a 5 plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it has the oven, big oven with, it has two fans. 1, 2. 2 fans. I don't know what this is. I do not know what this is for. I do not know what this is for. But let me see. So it comes with a nice big oven tray as well. 1 oven tray. Okay. Only 1. 2 stacking racks. And this is the legs. The 4 legs that comes underneath the stove. And this comes on top of, yeah, let me show you, because I've seen how it looks in the store. I don't know why. If any of you know why this is extra and why that comes like that, let me know. I would really like to know, but I will also read the instructions, because it did come with an instruction manual. There it is. So I will read up on it. Yeah. Happy cooking. Now, it must be installed by a gas installer, so that I get a gas certificate. There's a gas outlet, inlet, so that I can get a certificate for the insurance. So if anything goes wrong with the stove, or I can claim from the insurance.